So this is my 2006 Subaru Forester. It's lifted on an Anderson Design Fab strut spacer kit. Kind of see the wheel gap here, see what I got going on. I have rear trailing arms, or trailing arm spacers, so pulls it away from the body there. I got the Method MR502 VT specs. I got the Kumho Road Venture AT51s. You can see I've got this super ghetto fab bumper cut that I did real quick just to help me with approach angle a little bit. But yeah, this thing gets it pretty hard. It's nothing fancy, but you can kind of see some of the stuff I take it on is pretty substantial. This road is really no joke, but kind of get an idea of the ground clearance here. Take a look. I'm also running a primitive front skid plate. Kind of seems to help me float around on the snow a little bit better. But yeah, overall this is definitely what's up. I only paid a little under $2,000 for this thing, and so far I've had a ton of fun with it. Only spent $450 on the lift kit. Installed it in a couple of days after work, and then probably $800. I got these methods used. Spent a little bit of money on these tires, but check this out. Whew. What is up? Crazy. I love having a car that will take me where I go, where I want to go.